This Cajun macaroni salad is anything but boring. Richly flavored with Creole mustard, cayenne pepper, and hot sauce, it's a pasta salad that really has some kick. Cook 1 pound of elbow pasta in salted water, rinse with cold water, drain, and toss with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Stir together 1½ cups mayo, 3 tablespoons Creole mustard, 3 tablespoons red wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon hot sauce, a half a teaspoon cayenne pepper, a half a teaspoon black pepper, plus 2 tablespoons of water. Mix everything together well and then stir in the pasta, diced onion, diced celery, chopped fresh parsley, and 2 hard-boiled eggs that have been chopped. Check for seasoning and add salt and pepper to taste. Refrigerate for 20 to 30 minutes before serving. This Cajun macaroni salad is wonderfully creamy and perfect for your next cookout. Find the recipe at spicysouthernkitchen.com.